Managing your team gives you control over who has access to your projects and how many seats you need. Let me show you how it works. From your dashboard, navigate to Team Settings and select Manage Team. Enter their email and send the invitation by clicking Invite. They will receive an email that notifies them about the invitation and a pop-up notification when entering their own dashboard. Need more team members? Click Add Seats in the Manage Team modal. Choose how many seats to add and proceed to checkout. New empty seats appear immediately, ready for invitations. This time, we will add an account outside of the company, a freelancer. Once they accept, their account automatically upgrades to Pro. No individual subscription needed. They gain full access to team features and collaboration tools. You can drag and drop team members to reorder the list. This order matters when you're removing a seat. Let's say you want to remove the freelancer's seat. Just move their account to the end of the list. Click the minus to lower the seat count and hit Confirm. The Updating Subscription dialog pops up so you can review the changes. Now, you can see a new section at the bottom of the list showing the freelancer's seat as pending deletion. It'll be fully removed at the end of your billing cycle. If you change your mind and want to remove someone else instead, no problem. Just drag and drop that person's seat into the pending deletion spot. Remember, anyone marked as pending removal still has full access to the team workspace until the billing cycle ends, or until you manually click Remove Member. But if you decide to remove a different member, the pending one automatically goes back to the list, and the empty seat stays pending deletion. Until then, you can still add or remove people from that seat whenever you need. Add seats as you grow, reorganize as roles change, and adjust members as projects evolve.